Hello guys, welcome to our Mansha Interior channel. If you're new to this channel, please do consider subscribe, like and comment for more and more amazing videos and update. Every home has a story and this begins with a lovely couple and their 2-year-old. Today we will show you Mr. Somik and Mrs. Varsha's beautiful house. That house is beautifully designed by one of our designers, so let's find more. Foyer area is an area which will provide you the positive energy once you enter into the house. Let's start. Once you step into the house, the first thing you can see is this beautiful entrance wall. As you can see, the beauty credit of this wall goes to customized painting by our designer and highlighted with the drop light and beautiful stone glass. This corner of the house, crafted by the wooden textured shoe rack with ample space and top of the unit can be used to place welcome artifacts. Now we are in the living area and here main highlight is this stone cladding wall. This big wall was challenge for our designer. Here is a story. Owner of this beautiful house in the first meeting itself highlighted that they used to travel all over the world. They have huge collection of the different mugs and cups from the different countries. So we comes up with this beautiful solution. This wall beautifully crafted with the unique color combination of textured brown and glossy white. Here we are providing enough storage cabinets and unit well highlighted with the co-lights and along with the cooling glasses for setup boxes. Here we have a crockery unit cum bar counter, highlighted well with the rose gold glasses. Along with the kitchen, we have a breakfast counter, top and then crockery unit with exclusive bar counter. Cooking is an art, so is the kitchen design. We have used lift off, which is very convenient and easy to use. This white and grey lacquered glass kitchen is fully modular and handleless. Countertop color is already complementing the kitchen finish. You can see the lines are very neat and clean and convenient to use on daily basis. Drop lights and the lights are complementing and highlighting the kitchen finish. Five important elements to the kitchen. The first one is a prep zone. The second one is a cooking zone. The third one is a storage zone. And the fourth one is the food storage zone. Fifth one is a clean zone, and so our designer keep in mind all together for this beautiful white and grey lacquered glass fully handleless modular kitchen. Now we are in kids room. Once you step in, you can see a beautiful multicolor lacquered glass wardrobe with latest technology along with fully functional study unit. We highlighted this wall with textured royal classic blue paint to give more colors to the little one's playroom. Now we are in master bedroom. We can see here a beautiful bed with handmade headboard along with back ball highlighted with lights and textured paint. Here we have a dressing unit with sensor mirror and light along with storage.
So we got to know about Mansha Interior from this society's WhatsApp group. We were wondering for a lot of interior options. So we explored the market, met with a few big names, and then we happened to meet Mayank. After talking to Mayank, he really understood what we were looking for. And the best part is he was able to give us some customizable options. Like you can see, we travel a lot. So we have a lot of collection of different things. So he was able to come up with some ideas how to showcase these hundred of mugs that we have collected over the last few years. Starting from the beginning, he was very prudent with the design, so he was able to really show us a 3D design of something that we really wanted. And after looking at the designs, they were very flexible with many changes and kind of tweaks we wanted to make, the whole color combination. So all the design work was finally done, and then we were able to start the interior work. I think within merely 2 months, everything actualized. We were pretty happy with the outcome. We were pretty happy with the changes that we asked to make. It was very prudently done. Until today, if there are any issues and we are raising those because we have moved in very recently, they are very pragmatically resolving those as well. So we are pretty happy with the end result. All the designs outcome have come the way we have imagined. So we definitely recommend Mansha Interiors.